In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in a WhatsApp group. If you're part of a lively group chat that keeps buzzing at the worst moments, muting it is the quickest way to restore some peace without leaving the group or missing messages entirely. We'll walk through the exact taps you need, and I'll explain what each mute option means so you can pick the one that fits your day. Start by opening WhatsApp. Once you're on the main screen, go into the group chat you want to quiet down. It's important to open the specific group first so the next options appear in the right place. At the top of the chat, tap the group name. This opens the group's info screen where all the settings for that chat live. Think of this screen as the control center for the group. Things like media, participants, and most importantly for today, notifications. Now tap Mute Notifications. This is the setting that turns off sound and vibration from the group. You're not blocking the group or leaving it, you're simply telling WhatsApp to deliver messages silently in the background. You'll see three choices: 8 hours, 1 week, and always. Here's how to decide. Choose 8 hours when you need short-term quiet, like during a workday or while you're studying. It's perfect for a temporary break that automatically expires by the end of the day. Pick 1 week if you know the group will be busy for a while. Maybe you're traveling, in back-to-back meetings, or just want a longer breather without thinking about it. Select Always if you prefer to keep the group silent indefinitely. This doesn't delete messages, it simply keeps them from interrupting you until you decide to change it later. Muted groups still receive messages, and you'll see them when you open WhatsApp. Depending on your phone's settings, you may still see a badge count on the app icon. Also, if someone mentions you directly using the @ symbol or replies to one of your messages, WhatsApp can still alert you so you don't miss something meant specifically for you. You can adjust this at any time by returning to the same place and choosing a different duration. It's flexible, and your choice takes effect immediately. That's it. Open WhatsApp, open the group, tap the group name, tap Mute Notifications, and choose 8 hours, 1 week, or always. With just a few taps, you stay in the conversation on your terms without constant interruptions.